Have you ever tried using a grain delay on waves before?
I want to say yeah,
buddy.
because I remember it sounding like it has like a lot of like mist and foam that comes out of it.
If you fiddle with the time on there, so it says time instead of sync, start to fiddle with that, and I think either the pitch or the feedback, you could end up with these waves that actually sound like they're robotic. And if you put like some reverb on those or something like that, or like a delay, a ping pong delay, you kind of get these like robotic left and right. I would call them space waves. That's literally my description of that.
I want to try this real quick.
Yeah, so if you bring the pitch down to like -12, I think you start to get a little more.
Ooh.
And it's almost like, it sounds like filtered a bit, like, and using that as a second layer and like a bass sound or something as your stereo image, and then you can have something way more up in the mono, and you just get this like wide full sound. It's really crazy. You get some crazy textures with that.
I mean, already this is super cool.
Freaking Nick.
And if you put like a time delay, like a simple delay on that now, maybe.
Whoa, even when you stop it. That's so cool. Dude, thank you.